Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If the blades on your TM31 are making a horrible grinding noise, it's likely due to a worn-out potentiometer or dull blades. Ignoring this issue can lead to further damage, affecting the performance of your device and potentially costing more in repairs down the line. To tackle this problem, you will need a screwdriver, a replacement potentiometer, a new blade set, and a pair of gloves for safety. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged and on a stable surface. Carefully remove the bowl and lid. Using a screwdriver, take out the screws located at the base of the appliance. Gently pry open the casing, being cautious not to damage any internal components. Once opened, locate the potentiometer and the blades. The potentiometer is usually situated near the control panel, while the blades are fixed at the bottom of the bowl. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To extract the faulty potentiometer, gently disconnect the wires attached to it, taking note of their positioning for reassembly. Unscrew the potentiometer and replace it with the new one, ensuring it's securely fastened. Next, for the blades, remove the screws holding them in place and carefully lift them out. Replace them with a new blade set, making sure they're aligned correctly. Reattach the screws to secure the blades, reconnect the wires to the potentiometer, and ensure everything is in its rightful place. To close the device, carefully fit the casing back together, ensuring no components are pinched or misaligned. Replace the screws at the base, then reattach the bowl and lid. Plug in your Thermomix and test the blades to ensure they operate smoothly without any grinding noise. To prevent this problem from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean the blades and avoid overloading your Thermomix with hard ingredients. This will prolong the life of both the blades and the potentiometer, ensuring consistent performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.